Hello, and welcome to another episode of Essential English for Conversations. I'm Dr. Priscilla, a native English speaker, and I live in the United States. Today, we will look at a few vowel sounds for book, brood, brook, bosom, bull, bush, butcher. Listen for the sound in this scenario. In a quaint town by babbling brook, a mysterious book was found. It was discovered nestled in the bosom of a bush, a beacon of intrigue in the mundane. The book, bound in bull leather, was not ordinary. It held tales of a brood of brave adventurers, their exploits echoing through time. They were led by a leader as stubborn as a bull, yet as nurturing as a mother hen to her brook. This leader, with the heart of a lion and mind of a fox, was the epitome of a boss. Guiding the brood, they navigated through thick bush and crossed many brooks. Their journeys, etched in the pages of this book, were a testament to their camaraderie. And so, the book remained by the brook, a silent witness to the tales of the brave brood, their boss, and their adventures through bush and bull. Every word, every page, a treasure trove of stories waiting to be discovered. If you enjoyed this lesson, be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Bye for now.